Hello my dears. Today we are dealing with the chapter Integers, exercise 1.1, question number 2 and 3. Do you remember what is the meaning of integers? Integers means it's a set. Set includes all the positive numbers, all the negative numbers and 0. But these positive numbers and negative numbers should not be a fraction. Do you remember what is the form of fraction? Fraction means P by Q form. So integers should not be a fraction. Question number 2 says that in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? To find the total of Jack's scores, see here 25 is a positive number, 15 is a positive number and 10 is also a positive number. But 5 and 10, these two numbers, minus 5 and minus 10, these two numbers are negative numbers. To find the total of all these 5 numbers, first we are going to find the total of all the positive numbers. Then after that we will find the total of negative numbers. After that, finding the total of positive numbers and finding the total of negative numbers, we will sum both of these. Then we will get the total of all these 5 numbers. So our first step is total of positive numbers. What are the positive numbers here? Total of positive numbers. Positive numbers are 25 plus 15 plus 10. After adding these 3 numbers, we will be getting 50. Then going to find, then what is the total of all negative numbers? Total of negative numbers. Total of negative numbers. What are the negative numbers here? From the question they have given that minus 5 and minus 10. So we are going to add these two numbers. What is the rule for adding these two numbers? Both the numbers are negative. So just add both the numbers and give the sign as negative. By adding these two numbers we will be getting 15 and just give the sign of negative. Then total of positive numbers and negative numbers. Positive numbers and negative numbers. Equal to, what is the total of positive numbers? 50 plus total of negative numbers minus 50. Now what is the rule for adding these two integers? Both are different sign, so just subtract, then we will be getting 35. Then give the sign of the greatest number. Which is the greatest number here? 50, and 50 is having positive sign. So for the answer we should give positive sign. So positive 35 is the total of Jack's score. Question number 3 says that at Srinagar the temperature was minus 5 degree on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? That's our first question. Then on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So, two questions are here. First, we can deal with the first question. So, at Srinagar, temperature was -5 degree on Monday. So, first step is temperature of Srinagar on Monday. Just write down the step. Temperature of Srinagar on Monday. Equal to -5 degree Celsius. Then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So we should find the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. So our next aim is temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. How can we find out? See, it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius from this 5 degrees Celsius. So, 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius will be give us the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. Then our next aim is how can we subtract these two numbers? See, -5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius -5 minus of, see, we should subtract both these numbers. So subtraction should be changed into addition. So -5 plus, and then take the additive inverse of the second number, that is -2. Adding these two numbers, we will be getting the answer -7. So temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is -7 degree Celsius. Next, we are required to find the temperature on Wednesday. How can we find? Because the temperature on Wednesday rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So, from -7 degrees Celsius, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So, next step is temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday. Equal to temperature on Tuesday plus 4 degrees Celsius. That is, temperature on Tuesday is -7 degrees Celsius plus it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So what will be the answer? See, both the numbers are different and addition. So just subtract both the numbers and give the sign of the greatest number. Subtracting these two numbers, we will be getting 3, and the sign of the greatest number is minus. So -3 degrees Celsius is the temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed my class. If you have any doubt about this topic, definitely ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Femi Bijoy from Max Ninjas. Thank you.